Commission as more witnesses continue to appear before the commissioners to testify on alleged financial irregularities into the local councils. One Mr. Cisse is the latest to face the commission. He has been investigated for allegedly receiving double payments from the Kanifing Municipal Council, each exceeding over 400,000 for hiring his grader, water browser and roller for road construction projects in Fajikunda, Talendin South and Ibo Town. During his questioning, the witness stated that he could not recall any instances of receiving double payment and argued that the tasks in question were different. However, council government's challenged his claim, asserting that the payments were of the same job. Support.
The voucher itself says that your grader, water browser and ruler were hired for the 19 ward roads, particularly Ibo Town. Ibo Town, Talendin South, and Fajikunda Ward. Do you recall this?
Yes, I fully remember.
The second voucher as well says the same thing. It says being hiring of grader, water browser, and roller for 6 days of compacting gravel on the identified 19 wards. Particularly Ibo Town, Talendin South, Fajikunda Ward. Yes. So why would you have two payments for the same job?
Anyway, I cannot remember that. I have different type of contracts or jobs. I cannot remember that job. Because I think they are not the same, they have differences.
Yeah. If they are different, it would have been one contract and you would have been paid for the entire job. It's all in relation to the road, either construction or leveling, however you call it.